I have another swap reveal, and this swap is from Christina. And she has a box here. She did package me some of the extra goodies, so I think I'll open these after, but they're the same. So the swap partner also gets one of these. And then she also gave me this little bag that has my name on it, which I will open later when I open this. So let's do her swap first. And then, so she has a little card for her swap partner, and it's so pretty, and it says Endless Summer. So cute. And then look at her little like box. So she made these cute, they almost look like coins, but I think they're little globes, and look at the metallic, and she did such a great job with the box. Oh, let me see what she wrote in the card. This card is for me, and it says enjoy the ride, and it says thank you for letting me join your swap. I love the suitcase. It was easy to assemble with your great tutorial. Thank you so much. For some reason I struggle to execute my vision. The box is for my swap partner, ready to send. The other two bags in the outer are for you. Thanks again. Okay, so this is Christy, and Christy is AZ Crafty Maven on Instagram, so I will make sure that I put her in the description bar. This looks great. I don't know what your vision was, but this looks amazing, and it's so well like put together. Like, you guys, it's very like sturdy and neat. Okay, so we're gonna open it, and we have a little bit of Velcro, and oh my gosh, she did the thing too on the inside. This looks so good, and look how she has like a little scene on here. Oh, I love this. I did not even think to do this. I love how you guys just got like so creative with this. And look, there's like a little sunrise right here. So cute. Okay, so look here. First we have her die cuts, and I'm gonna open this up because they're kind of on top of each other. So she has this really big heel, which is adorable. I'm gonna take these out. They're so, so cute. I love the gold. And then we have a ticket here. We have 2 tickets. You have to bring your tickets. So we have this adorable, like, high heel shoe. Do you guys see this? It's so cute. Look how cute. And it has a little lobster on it. Oh my gosh. So, 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 so cute. I love it. And then she has these 2 little tickets that say admit one. Oops, I'm holding one of them upside down. I love this metallic paper, so pretty. And then we have some glasses. We have the little luggage set. That's the little KS Craft die, and she made her flowers gold. I love these flowers, and I love this one. Look how she layered it with different things. It looks so pretty. Some sunglasses. So we have our die cuts for, you know, the things that we needed to pack on our trip. We definitely need shoes, for sure. And I know for some people, they need a whole bag just for their shoes. And then we have our tickets for wherever we're going when we get there. And then we have our bags, so cute, and our little sunglasses. These are adorable. And she put them on foam too, so they're like super sturdy. I love them. And then they fit right here in this cute little pocket. So cute. And then we have a memory deck, you guys. And this memory deck says looking good. It's sideways, so let's see if we can get it out without destroying it. I think we can. Yeah, because the bag topper is only on with like a little thing. It's on here. Let's see. I want to see if she has any info on the back. Okay, there we go. Let's do that. Let's see. Is there any info on the back? There isn't, but let's show you. Let me show you this. Okay, so look how cute this is. So she did this sunglasses, and she put a little paper trim like banner right there, and it says looking good. I love this paper. And this is actually this is foam like that she cut out, and she has a really fun shaker mix on the back. And she just has her info, Christy Little, AZ Crafty Maven, and her YouTube. Oh, she has YouTube and Instagram. Oh, I'm gonna have to go follow her on YouTube. I don't think I knew you had a YouTube, Christy. I'm gonna go on there. By the time this video goes on, I will be a subscriber, because when I get swaps and I find out that people have channels, I'm like, oh, I didn't know that. And I just go over and subscribe. So I'm gonna put this back in the little pocket that it came from. And then you guys, look how cute this is. Look at this rosette. So cute. Look how she put mesh on top of the little sand pail, and this really pretty like flower, and the ephemera, which is like kind of a gold holographic. So nice. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's really stinking cute. So I'm gonna put this back. These are the 3 that were in the pocket. And then here oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. So this is beautiful. I love the color scheme that you went with. I love the colors. Like this deep like pinky red, and then this one is like a dark, like a deeper pink, like more like a rose color. And look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And then I love this ticket, of course. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so nice. I love this die too. The first person that introduced me to this was actually Leslie, who's Labor of Love on YouTube. And she sent me something and it had this. And I was like, where did you get this from? It's too cute. So I love that. Okay, look at these goodies in here. Okay, so first we have this amazing bag topper. Amazing. So she has this mesh behind here. Then she made these and I love the mixed metals. So she did like this gold holographic and like a regular holographic, like a silver holographic. And then she made this little kind of paper ribbon, not tassel, this little paper ruffle. And she has this rosette with this trim on here again, this little mesh, and it says take me anywhere. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then look at this one, you guys. Oh my gosh, she did this sunrise again. It says hello sunshine. I love the all your like paper choices, you know, like I love how the colors that you chose, because I love like bright colors, and I love how you like mix so many colors. This looks so good. So good. I love this die and I never use it. It's so cute. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so that was in there. Right? And then let's open this up. So this, oh, this is cute. Look. It's like a little book. Oh, and she put her stuff. This is so cute. It's like her own like embellishment book. Did you follow a tutorial to make this? This is so cute, and it even has pockets. So if you want to put like a tag or something in here, you can. So she put her bows in here, and look how cute the bows are. So she has this one. That's adorable. She has this one here that says SPF. So cute. And this little stripe one. I love a stripe. And then if you open this one up, she has made 6 bows. This one is upside down. So let me turn it this way. These little hot dogs are so cute. Oh my gosh. And then let me put this so that it's like, you know, the color is broken up a little bit in between. I love this. This is such a fun paper collection. And I love all this pink that you added. This is so nice. I like this. I need to, I'm gonna like, I basically can look at anything and make it, so I'm gonna make this for sure. This is just so cute. I love this. I love this, love this. Okay, and then this is another little box. Did you do these? Did you make this up? Is there a tutorial on your channel? So cute, look. This is such a cute way to package stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's another rosette that is beautiful. I mean, it fits perfectly in here. That's what makes me feel like you must have like created this to fit these, because they fit too well. Look at this little nail polish with these little beads in here, like tiny little beads. And look at this rosette. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, Christy, you did such a great job. Okay, I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna close this stuff up. I want to make sure that this goes back. Okay, good. And then I'm gonna get to the other part of her swap, which is actually mine, but it's the same thing for her swap partner, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now we'll open the extra goodies. So this actually she gave to her swap partner as well, so I'll open that in a second. But then she made something special in here for me. Oh my gosh, she gave me bags. I love this. I love like getting a little bit of something, because like I'm sure when you get these tickets, you get like a gajillion of them. And like, I'm going to use these for Halloween though. Oh my gosh, I got so many colors, you guys. Look. So I have orange, blue, and a green, and like this purple, kind of a reddy pinky color, a hot pink color. Oh, I'm definitely going to use this one like immediately. The white and yellow. Thank you so much. And then I also got these really cute bow bags. Adorable. I love these. I'm a sucker for a bag. And then this little box that says London on it, and has Mexico. It has like all these different places, basically. New York. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then a clear plastic that kind of looks like that one. Oh, and then these are so cute. This is gonna go in my Disco Cowgirl bin that I have. And then, oh my gosh, thank you so much. She gave me some of these bags. These are so useful. Like, I literally just used one of these this morning because I was putting my planner stuff away, and I was like, I need something to put all this stuff in, and one of those bags to the rescue. It was perfect. So thank you so much for these extra goodies just for me. Thank you so much. And then this, she also gave me one, but this is the same thing as what's in, oh my gosh, this is so cute, in her swap partner. This is a fan, you guys, and it works. How cute is this? My boys are going to try to take this, but I'm not going to let them because they're going to break it. Love freeze-dried fruit. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look how she filled it up with stuff. This is so cute. I don't know what this bottom thing is. So, of course, my curiosity that always wins. Because I'm like, I need to know what's in this little paper thing here. Oh my gosh, like a little mending set. And look how she made a little like packaging for it. So cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's like a little lip balm. So adorable. I'll put this over here. And then, oh, it's in hot pink. I love this. Some hand sanitizer, always good. Oh, Uno Go. My son loves playing Uno, so he's gonna get a kick out of these little tiny ones, and I may have to put these in the car. And then look how cute these are. This is one of the boxes that she gave me, but it's full of stuff, guys. So let's see what's inside of here. Let's see what's in here. I have I still have one of the embellishment, some of the goodies that I got from, okay, these are packaged from one of the other swaps that I opened. So we have some stickers here. Oh, how cute are these? These are so cute. And someone gave me a passport actually it was Teresa in the Japan. Speaking of, she gave me like these little mini passports for my kids, and these would be so cute inside of them. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Thank you so much. These are so cute. I love these. Some of them look like little, like, you know, they could go in there and be cute. And then she made another little package here that has some sticky notes. How cute. Always good to have on the go. And then, you guys, she gave me all of these charms that I'm going to show you. So we have these paper clips that are planes. And then we have a little lighthouse here, the Eiffel Tower. She gave me like stuff from all, is this Big Ben? The clock, so cute. This is a little starfish and a little fish, like a fish bone. Adorable. And then we have this little sand dollar and a globe and a motorcycle and another plane. Okay, this is my ring getting in the way. And then this is so cute. We have like a little, like those little Adirondack. Is that what they're called? Adirondack, or I think that's what they're called. The chairs with the little umbrella. And then the Statue of Liberty. She gave me like stuff from everywhere. A little pink whale, a passport charm, a little crab, a wave, and a camera. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you so much. I love these. I'm obsessed with charms, so I can never have too many charms. I just love them so much. Okay, and then in here, I have another one of these bags. And, I could have, this is why I sometimes open these first, but it's fine. It's fine, you guys. She made me my very own embellishments and a memory dex, which I love. Thank you so much for making me a memory dex, because I love collecting memory dexes from people. And look how cute these are different. And this bag I didn't see. I don't think she did. And then she even gave me some bag toppers that I can play with myself. How cute is this? I love this. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And then look, I got stickers. Oh, I love this. This is like my favorite travel thing from Hobby Lobby. And then this one is so cute. And then look at this. I love the little, I never use my furry beads. I need to. This is trying to fall. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is right up my alley. These are the kind of snacks that I eat, like when I'm in the car. Because if you just eat like, you know, junk, it doesn't last, you know? So sometimes this is honestly, my friend laughs at me because like, this is the kind of stuff I bring when I'm ready to like go shopping everywhere. Like I'm like, okay, I'm going to Dollar Tree, I'm going to Hobby Lobby, I'm going to Michael's, I'm going to, at the time, Joanne, I'm going everywhere. I'm like, okay, I got to bring my like energy. Like I bring like jerky and I bring nuts. Because I'm like, I need my strength to go to all these stores and do all this damage. And then I have a nail file, which I desperately need. And this is so cute. Oh, it's Dogrid. I love this. Okay, I have an idea for this immediately already. Thank you so much. Like, Christy, you really went above and beyond. And I know your swap partner is going to love all of these goodies. So you guys, make sure you go follow her. I'm already subscribed by the time you look at this video. Make sure you go subscribe to Christy. She's so sweet and new to my swapping, and I'm just like so grateful for all of you guys and all of the views and all of the comments, and you guys are just so sweet. So make sure you tell Christy how much you love this, and make sure you head over to her channel. Also, while you're here, go ahead and subscribe. And also, there is a challenge playlist in the description bar if you want to see all of the other videos. Because we are getting close to the end. We have only a couple more of these and then we're going to be done. So make sure you catch up if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.